and Thursday means mail. I think this week the song made this wheel spin.
Yeah, it does.
You know what day it is. See if it works again. Yeah. You know what day it is. It's Thursday. But now stop it, see?
And then if you sing the song a third time, it will get up and float over here.
You know what day it is. Whoa, hands! It's Thursday. And Thursday. Welcome to the table, mythical mailboater means mail. Wow, guys.
You want some food? You want some food? Huh? Or do you want to get into this trap and I'm gonna kill you? I'm gonna euthanize you, you stray cat!
This is like a triangle of awesomeness in terms of the way that, the feeling that's happening right now. In fact, if I could somehow grab hold of the feeling that is happening between you and us right now, I would take it and I would whip Link with it, and suddenly there would be
Wow. You know, analogies fall apart all the time, but they usually don't fall apart so violently. So what, is there something that you want to talk to me about?
Camera.
Camera. Camera.
Not scared of me.
Camera.
Make it scared.
Me call it camera.
You speak much good to English not invented. We don't speak nothing now.
My sense of humor is very dark, I would say. Like when death happens, I find it very funny. I mean, death is going to happen on this project, and somebody needs to be there to make it funny. And I will do that happily. Why am I the best candidate for the trip?
That is really cool. Probably aerodynamics of motion.
He figured it out.
Aerodynamics of motion.
He knew it was aerodynamics of motion.
Smart kid.
So you mean sad? They would say das. That's kind of cool.
It's a lot more complicated than that, boy.
No,
it's not just sad and das. Come on over, we'll show you how it's done.
No, yeah, because it also involves...
Should I be more gracious than that?
No, it also involves vents sucking pillows up into the ceiling.
And aerodynamics of motion.
But not necessarily on recorder. Sorry, Link. Hey, Jimmy Page, can you just take 5, okay?
Cool, bro.
Listen to this.
You let me know when you're ready, bro.
When I came up, I watch Good Mythical Morning every day. The first one I ever watched was a Ghost Pepper Challenge. My most favorite music videos are SETI, Space Junk, Guacamole, T-shirt, War 1 and 2, and the Pillow Song. My daddy sent you 3 pedals, and I hope you don't put them on the Mythical Mailboater. Signed, Emily Johnson.
400
Happy 400, Ashley.
candles on it. Let me wrap it around your head a little bit. Let's see how that worked out. Oh, it just...
Cake beard!
Look, there's an indentation of your face with the glasses perfectly placed.
Party!
We should have this framed.
Yeah. What? One of them happens to be a supermodel. The other one is Alfred Hitchcock.
That wasn't a joke. Hitchcock.
I don't know how.
Hey, does he have anything to do with Alfred Hitchcock? Yeah. Is he also a filmmaker?
I don't know. I've said a lot of things wrong on this show, but I don't know why. That's so funny to me.
If he was named Hitchcock and you had called him Hitchcock, it would be different.
I don't know why it's that funny to me. So, would you like to see a picture of Alfred? Gosh. Hey, shawty, we up in the VIP section of this club.
Baby, get low and drop it like it's hot. Get on the dance floor and show me what you got.
Take that and rewind it back.
Rhett and Link got the beat to make your booty go clap. Would be nice if I'd have stopped on the clap.
Make your booty go clap.
Oh, yeah, you don't have to say it twice.
All right.
Once was probably already too many times.
I get emergency tarps from the truck. I come back out. I'm draping tarps over kids and saying, don't panic. Lando's sleeping the whole time.
That's a blessing.
Yeah, it was. And so then I do all I can. I get back in my sleeping bag. I'm like, just get deep in your sleeping bag and go to a happy place. That's the best I could come up with.
Kids, go to a happy place!
Well, Mike came back into town. And he said, I want to go camping again. We said, friend,
let's do it.
Anytime you want to go camping, man, we are here for you. We will go camping at the drop of a camping hat. Camping hat.
Camping hat. Yep.
So anyway,
you ready to eat some candy from Tokyo?
oh, it's sorry. What?
You said he just sold the thing and moved away.
Right.
Well, there's a story that still circulates today that he now haunts the mine.
I saw him.
No, that's not the story.
Oh, I didn't see him.
Thanks for going along with it.
Yeah.
We were going to create a new myth. Maybe we have that power, but probably not.
No, we don't.
That
You smell that urine?
he said
That's Burrow Schmidt.
the reason why